Facebook is one of those things that you probably like or you probably hate. You might spend a lot of time on it personally, or you might be spending no time at all. The question is it worth having your agency on Facebook? Well, I think it still matters. If you look at the numbers, people are still going to Facebook. It is the #1 social media network out there with more than 1.2 billion users. In the United States, on a daily basis, 40% of all Americans go to Facebook. So having an agency page on Facebook makes sense. The trick is, how do you make it worthwhile? Well, you don't want to be overly promotional. You want to have interesting things on your page that engage. So when you're out there doing community events and activities, take pictures showing the organizations that you support. Yes, you can mix in some insurance information, but you don't want to make it overly promotional. You want to have some fun with your Facebook page. Give people a sense of who you are and what you do. The way you stand apart from the big direct writers is that you're real people, and Facebook gives you an opportunity to put your best face forward. Another thing to keep in mind with Facebook is it's not just about generating content for yourself, it's using Facebook as a tool to engage with your customers. So take some time and go to their Facebook pages, see what they're posting. There's a lot of people who spend all this time writing posts for Facebook, linking to blogs, doing all this activity, and then no one's liking, sharing, or commenting on what they're doing. You can score tremendous points just by spending time on other Facebook pages and showing people that you care, that you're engaged, and that you're involved. And to talk about Facebook today without mentioning a real change would be irresponsible on my part. And the change I want to talk about is how Facebook has changed the rules of the game. It used to be that you got these likes on your Facebook page. And then when you posted something of interest, everyone who liked you would see it. That was a few years ago. Today, when you post on Facebook, probably only about 1% of all people will see your post if you're a business. What does that mean? Well, Facebook has really gone to a pay-to-play model. If you want to make sure that your posts are seen on Facebook, you've got to pay for them. The numbers I've seen recently, it's about 2 cents a like. So if you have 500 people who like your agency page, it'll cost you about $10 to promote that post to make sure that people see it. Is it worth it? Well, if you've built up a community on Facebook and all of a sudden you're invisible because no one's seeing your posts, it might be worth investing $10, maybe not every time, but a few times a month to make sure that people know that you're still alive and kicking on Facebook. It is a good tool, but it's not a tool you own. So you don't want to put all your eggs in one basket and just spend your time creating content for Facebook. Make sure that you're doing your newsletters, that you're writing blog posts, that you're doing things outside the parameters of any one social media platform, because as you see in Facebook, the rules can change and all of a sudden you're not as visible as you once were. Good luck with your Facebook page. For now, I'd say go for it, but go with caution and realize that the rules are a little bit different than they used to be.